Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make keema pasta. This comprehensive guide will walk you through creating a truly delicious and satisfying meal. We will cover everything from preparing the rich, aromatic keema sauce to perfectly cooking your pasta. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into a hearty, flavorful dish that your family and friends will absolutely love. It is a fantastic way to enjoy a comforting and wholesome meal. Now, let's dive into making that incredible keema sauce. Start by browning 500 grams of your chosen ground meat in a large pan until it's nicely cooked through. Then, add 1 chopped onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 inch of grated ginger, sautéing until they become fragrant. Stir in 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, cumin, and coriander powder, followed by 400 grams of crushed tomatoes and 100 milliliters of water. Let it simmer for about 20 minutes to develop deep flavors. Next, let's get that pasta just right. Boil 250 grams of your preferred pasta in generously salted water until it's perfectly al dente. Before draining, remember to reserve about 100 milliliters of that starchy pasta water. It's a secret ingredient. Once drained, add the cooked pasta directly into your simmering keema sauce. Stir everything together, incorporating the reserved pasta water to achieve a beautifully smooth and cohesive sauce that coats every strand. And there you have it, your incredible homemade keema pasta is ready to be enjoyed. For a fresh burst of flavor, garnish generously with some chopped fresh cilantro or parsley. Serve this hearty and satisfying dish immediately as a wonderful main course. It pairs beautifully with a simple side salad or some warm, crusty bread. This comforting meal is absolutely perfect for a cozy family dinner or for impressing your guests with your culinary skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.